All right, gang, here we go. Let's see how to use GRT for email with Mailchimp. All right, so here we are. I've crafted my little fake email to show you this thing. And down here at step 3, this is the money step. We want to use a partial HTML for Mailchimp, and we'll click generate my email. All right, there it is. There's our cryptic email. We don't have to worry about that. For now, we're just going to copy it. And now let's head over to Mailchimp and see how this works. All right, here in Mailchimp, we're going to create an email, and we're going to do a regular email. And you have to give it a name. So we're going to do that. We're going to click begin. I don't know why you got to give it a name. Got to do all this stuff. Let's do design email, okay? They have too many questions, Your Honor. All right, now we got to choose a template. Now, since the last time I did this scratch one's new. Let's try this. The other ones have stuff you got to get rid of. I hate that. All right. So what we have to do here. So Mailchimp operates with templates. Okay. You can't just stick your stuff in there and start typing. It's not like a normal editor. It is a template-based editor, which it kind of drives me nuts. But anyway, this is a placeholder for an image. This is a placeholder for a logo. And then this is where you're supposed to start typing your email. Well, we're just going to get rid of all that stuff. We're going to trash the image. We're going to trash this thing. And now we got what we want, which is just to start typing. But we can't just start typing because if we paste in that email, it's not going to look right. What we have to do is deploy their code block. And now here in the custom HTML, we can paste our email. Okay, there it is. And now, it's so crazy, right? But there it is. Now the email appears. It's just got this text box up here. We're not going to use it. We'll delete it. So now here is our email. There it is, stuck inside this Mailchimp template. So that's how you do it. You have to deploy a little code block, paste in the email content that you copied from the GRT email editor, and then boom, it will appear in here. Then you got to go do some little cleanup, like get rid of the stuff you don't want, maybe get rid of this. Well, you can't get rid of that, whatever. Then you have to do a little cleanup work to make sure the email ends up looking the way that you want. Now, I noticed something else here with Mailchimp that's annoying is the style. It automatically styles the email. So like I've got this gray area around the email. I hate that. So you have to go over to styles here. And, like I've clicked on styles. You got desktop and mobile. I just mess with desktop on here, but I want to change the background of the email to white so it looks normal, so it's not all boxed in. Okay, so now it looks okay. I can at least live with this now. So then now our email's ready to send. You can send it out to your email list. All the recipients will see this styling instead of the generic stuff from Mailchimp, which is really bad. It's just bad. The whole thing here, the UI is overbuilt. They ask too many questions. It's just like, I just want to send an email. All this is too complicated. I don't like Mailchimp, but they do, they've been popular for years. I'm showing you how to get really good results in Mailchimp because believe me, nobody else is getting results anywhere near this nice using the built-in junk that Mailchimp gives you. So anyway, you can save this and send it away, and then all the people on your list will see this beautifully formatted email instead of whatever the generic junk is you get from Mailchimp. All right? Catch you in the next one.